Assalamualaikum everyone, hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to discuss how can we install the drivers for Wacom so that we can connect internally. As you know that in our previous video we connect physical connection between Wacom to our laptop with some, like, there was different cables that that there was an HDMI and there was a charging cable. There are different cables that we need to connect so that these connection will become physical. But internally there was a set of instructions that we need. So for this set of instruction, what you need to go on the like, you can see that I'm just going on wacom.com/download. so here you need to go and you need to download the software drivers from here. You need to go down and you can see there are two options: either you are using Mac or you having Windows. So I'm just going for Windows. Actually, sorry, I was telling you about that internal connection. So you need to confirm downloads. Okay, now it's just doing its process. You need to wait a little bit and then you need to accept their set of instructions, or you need to accept their license policy afterward. So actually I just want to tell you one thing, that internal connections is that the main connections you need to, like, you want to use the pen. You cannot use the pen unless there are some instructions coming back from your laptop. So this is what driver does. So you confirm and then I'm going to accept it. These are some, okay, now installing. You need to wait a little bit, have some patience. Is there little, I don't know why this PC help software driver. I need to cancel it out. Okay, after this video, I will add another video with it in which we will show you that the driver is successfully installed. Now I'm just adding another video with it so that you can you know that how actually this will work. So thank you for watching this video. I'm just adding another video for you so that you got the point that what's that software did. You can see this is my laptop and here is the projection on my Wacom, and I can use this pen. You can see this. I'm just canceling it. I can do anything. I can, like, it's just a mouse, and this is now become my laptop. It doesn't mean that it become a laptop. It's a pen. I can do anything with it. Like, I can paint, I can teach, I can do many of the things that I can do with the pen. So this is the reason we need this Wacom with our laptop. So hopefully you like this video. In other videos we will inshallah teach with this. So thank you for watching.